V-Mac's G90 gas-driven air compressor system with FlexDrive AMS is engineered to automatically adapt air power for maximum speed, pressure, and performance on the job site, empowering fleets to work more efficiently, sustainably, and profitably. This animated video shows the key components, unique features, system operation, safety features, and warranty information for the G90. At the root of every VMAC air compressor system is a machine built to the highest quality standards, in the most compact and lightweight package, improving total fleet performance. The G90 is designed for quiet operation and easy servicing for maximum operator happiness. Sound reduction panels reduce noise on the job site, emitting just 73 decibels at high idle and only 59 decibels at low idle. Service panels with latches provide quick access to all important service parts. This Honda-approved application is powered by the Honda IGX800 electronic fuel-injected V-Twin gas engine, which provides the efficient and reliable performance required on modern job sites. With an integrated 10-gallon gas tank, the G90 will get almost 5 hours of runtime at max speed. That duration increases at lower speeds and duty cycles. When it's time to fill up with gas, the fuel nozzle hook allows operators to hang the nozzle onto the side of the G90 and then climb up to refill the gas tank. At its core, the all-new VMAC EC100 encapsulated rotary screw air end delivers cleaner and more efficient compressed air with reduced maintenance. With maximum airflow of up to 90 CFM and maximum pressure of up to 170 psi, the EC100 gives operators maximum reliability and performance in the toughest conditions. V-Mac's FlexDrive Airflow Management System, or FlexDrive AMS, adapts automatically to deliver optimal airflow or pressure for every job. The control system monitors air demand and engine load, reacting to changes by shifting belt drives to generate the compressed air required. Up to 50 CFM at 170 psi in low speed and up to 90 CFM at 100 psi in high speed. System pressure can be monitored on the display box or on the mechanical pressure gauge near the air output. This side of the G90 also contains the connections for remotely installing the controls. The system comes standard with the controls mounted on the G90. If installers want to install the controls remotely, no cutting or splicing is required. A blanking plate is included with the Deutsch bulkhead connectors for an optimal wiring harness to plug into. V-Mac's intelligent digital controls with optional telematics provide real-time data, smart diagnostics, remote start-stop, error codes, and automated performance for efficient operation. The OLED display box is the interface for adjusting all air compressor settings and displays real-time system information, service notifications, and informative diagnostic messages. A momentary rocker switch turns the air compressor on and off. This is how V-Mac's G90 gas-driven air compressor system works. To start the engine, the operator turns the key switch to the on position and then turns and holds the key switch for 3 seconds. Alternatively, the operator can press and hold the enter button on the display box for 3 seconds. An audible alarm alerts operators that the engine is started. The Honda engine will run at 2800 RPM, which is the warming phase of the engine, until it reaches 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, and then idles down to 1700 RPM until the compressor is started. To start the compressor, the operator pushes the momentary rocker switch. The engine will idle up to 2500 RPM, and the FlexDrive AMS will engage the low-speed clutch on the rear belt line. Once the compressor discharge temperature reaches 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, high-speed functionality becomes available. Compression occurs when ambient air is drawn in through the air filter into the inlet control valve before being forced into the rotor housing, where it is trapped between 2 spinning rotors. Compressor oil is injected into the rotor housing to create a seal, lubricate the rotors and bearings, and reduce heat. The resulting hot compressed air-oil mixture is separated in the integrated air-oil separator tank. Any remaining oil is removed as it passes through the spin-on coalescing filter. After the hot compressor oil is separated from the air, the oil is circulated through an air-to-liquid heat exchanger before being filtered by the spin-on oil filter and returned to the compressor. The clean compressed air is now ready for use as it's discharged through the air outlet on the side of the G90. The compressed air can be plumbed to wherever is required on the truck. When the G90 starts up in low speed, it produces up to 50 CFM at 170 psi. After a minimum of 10 seconds, if system pressure drops below 80 psi due to high airflow demand, the FlexDrive AMS will automatically disengage the low-speed rear beltline clutch and engage the high-speed front beltline clutch, and the Honda engine will idle up to 3,500 RPM. The G90 will now produce up to 90 CFM at 100 psi. If system pressure builds up to 110 psi, or if the load on the engine reaches its limit, the FlexDrive AMS will automatically disengage the high-speed front beltline clutch and engage the low-speed rear beltline clutch, and the Honda engine will idle down to 2,500 RPM. The G90 will now produce up to 50 CFM at 170 psi. The G90 features unload mode, which disengages the clutch when max system pressure is achieved and no compressed air is being used. This takes the load off the engine, reducing heat, noise, and fuel use. By default, this unload mode time is 2 minutes, but operators can adjust this time from 30 seconds to 30 minutes or never. After a further period of no air use, the system will switch from unload mode to standby mode. In standby mode, the compressor and engine will shut down, but will remain in ready state to automatically restart when compressed air is used. An amber light mounted on the front of the G90 will flash, warning operators that the system is in standby mode and could restart unexpectedly. By default, this standby mode time is 5 minutes of no air use, but operators can adjust this time from 1 to 30 minutes or never. When the operator begins using compressed air again, an audible alarm will alert operators that the engine is restarting, and then the engine and compressor will restart, producing the air required. To turn the system off, the operator pushes the momentary rocker switch. The engine will idle down, and the FlexDrive AMS will disengage the clutch. Once the engine returns to base engine idle, the operator can turn the key switch to the off position, which shuts down the Honda engine. Any remaining compressed air is automatically blown out of the air compressor system. A built-in minimum pressure check valve ensures that any connected accessories and tools remain pressurized. The G90 includes standard safety features including compressor and engine overheat shutdown, automatic rapid blowdown valve, 200 psi air pressure relief valve, battery protection, and automatic cold climate protection. V-Mac offers a 2-year warranty on all major components and a limited lifetime warranty on the air end. Honda offers a 3-year limited warranty on their engine for this Honda-approved application. For more information, please contact V-Mac Inside Sales at 1-877-912-6605 or by email at sales@vmacair.com.